Sergeant Vincent Cole with the Phoenix Police Department. We want people to enjoy themselves, but we want also people to follow the law. The possession of illegal fireworks is a civil penalty. You can get cited for that, but the use or ignition of those same fireworks could be a misdemeanor under our city code. So typically your aerial fireworks are illegal within the city of Phoenix at all times. That's bottle rockets, that's anything that really leaves the ground. And then there's items that are only seasonally permissible. That's fountains and things like that. You can still have fun with the fountains. There's items that are always available to use. That's the snakes and the sparklers, the party poppers. We want people to be safe. Something as small as a bottle rocket, especially in our dry heat here in the desert, could start a fire and that could be detrimental to a community.